Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'd go through 8 games which were actually made in GDevelop 5. Yeah, unlike this. So let's begin. So starting off, we have JULIETTE, a 2D side-scroller game made by Nilo Games. It has over 500,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. So next on the list we have DURR, a Fortnite arcade minigame made by Sparkman. Next we have Dragonfly, a GDevelop game which gives you a feel of what it's like to be outer space. At the moment it's still a demo version, so we await the full release.
Here's Dragonfly, Mark 37365K. Computer start the hydrogen sequence. Due to the amount of asteroids, it is impossible to start the sequence. Need to get closer to extend this time used to run to the end of asteroids. I have to be careful to avoid asteroids. Computer determine our position. Unable to determine position. Current system not found in our Federation database. Computer claiming hyperdrive says. Hyperdrive unavailable. Great. Let's have a system. Remote experience distortion photos. Distortion is exposed. What's going on? Planet Earth. How is that possible?
This is a Federation space station. Approaching vessel unidentified something.
Here's Federation.
Next we have Runners, an endless runner game made by the Gem Dev, which is me. So if you're watching this video at this point and you haven't liked or subscribed, please do well to like and subscribe as it helps me make more videos. Next we have Uphill Climb Racing Neon by Folix2 Studio. It's an uphill climb racing game with over 5,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. Next we have Swamp, an adventure game where your journey begins when you awaken in the back of a van with a dying man and a dying bug. The next on the list we have BUB'S Hello Earth. This is about an amazing cat named Bob. The game is a retro 8-bit game with beautiful ads and soundtrack. It was made by BUB'S team, in which we have the creator of GDevelop as a member. Yes, so the owner of GDevelop took in the creation of this one. So the last game for this video is Nail It Hammer made by 4League 2 Studio.